Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to review about the product that is a Dettol wipe. Can you see this? It's a huge Dettol wipes, and this product is very important during this pandemic, and as Omicron cases are increasing, so whenever we go out and walk in back at home, we need to sanitize all our things like car, our handles, keys. So we don't know from whom we are going to catch virus. So it's very important to stay safe, to stay protected, to save our families. So we have to take a right action, right precaution. So I'll tell you the more about this product. Proven to kill cold and flu and antibiotic resistance, MRSA. Mega value pack. It's a mega value pack, 110 large wipes. So it has 110 large wipe. It says kills 99% of bacteria and viruses. Thumbs up. Antibacterial cleaning surface wipe, no bleach, no odour. So it doesn't have any smell, no bleach. So mommies, don't worry, this product you can use on the room of the toddlers. So one more sign is mentioned here, can you all see? Please do not flush this product. So we should not flush this product in the toilet. So antibacterial cleaning surface wipe ingredient: germ protection, chloride, freshness, helpers water, cleaning alcohol, free from bleach. Dettol antibacterial cleaning surface wipe kills 99% of germs of MRSA, NDM1 positive, and ESBL, kills flu. So it's good, it kills flu. Influenza type 1, H1N1, so it's good for influenza. Cold viruses, human coronavirus and RVS. So that's also very good, because main thing like people are scared is like coronavirus, because not even people are now not scared about the flu, people are only scared about the corona. The word corona, I mean, like people are like, I don't know, I can't tell you the words, like some people are like, they start shivering with the word corona. So we should not get scared, we should not worry, we have to take a right precaution. This product is useful where we prepare food. There also we can clean our kitchen area. It remove all the 90% of allergens. So Dettol antibacterial surface cleaning wipes are proven to kill bacteria. So this product is very good product. So basically I use this product to clean our car. So I even used to clean my kitchen area. I even used to clean mixer whenever I'm grinding masala, and if I drop something like water, masala, I use this wipes to clean it, and it's like very good. I really like this product. Even I use this product to clean the floor. If I drop anything, if my baby drop anything, or if I'm making a mess, anything, I use this product to clean the surface also. So it is like suitable for kitchen surface, chopping board, high chair, so we can use on the baby high chair, bath and taps, and toilet seats. So whenever we are going to toilet, so we can use this one to clean our bathtub, on the toilet seats, rubbish bin, so we can use this on our rubbish bin, fridge. See, all this is mentioned here. So how to use it? Pull back the reusable cover, pull out wipe, reseal after each use. So they're telling remove one wipe out and then again reseal it. Store cover facing down to avoid drying out. So always we have to seal this, because if you are going to remove and we keep it open, so it is going to dry, then the wipes are, once the wipes are dry, so we can't use it. Wipe surface for major hygiene clean and dispense of wipe. For dispensation, one wipe should be used to cover an area 44 cm into 44 cm. Allow surface to remain wet for at least 5 minutes. So it's telling like once you use for a floor or any surface don't dry it with other clothes, let it be wet for 5 minutes. And since I've been using for my floor also, so if I wipe it on the floor, so I leave it like that and get, it get dry by itself. So it's contain 100 gram product, contain 0.4 benzalonium chloride, contain disinfectant perfume. For more ingredient, they are telling like you can go on www.rbuno4.com. So again they are showing the sign like please don't flash. So you have to keep this product out of children. So it's for not suitable for personal hygiene, and please do not flush down your toilet. So again and again they are giving this like please don't flush down in the toilet. So I have read it 4-5 times, and the other is not used for like, it's not, we can't wipe it on our face, we can only wipe on our things, not on our face. So please be careful, and we have to keep it out from the toddlers. And here also information is the health hygiene home Dettol Consumer Services. For help and advice, please contact UK PO Box 140 Slough SL1 ONH. The contact number also is mentioned is 033 2005 345, and they have also mentioned their site www.dettol.co.uk. Not approved for sale in ROI, made in UE, based on MRSA per wipes smaller packs. So we even get a smaller packs. Trade cycle. So I'll open and show you this product. This is the one. See how large it is. Can you see? So I basically use on my table like this. I clean it. So easy, and it is clean. I even use to clean our car from inside, even from outside, our car seat, our car handle, our door handle, my kitchen area, my toddlers, all the toys. I'll clean and show you one more wipes. I clean and show you the toy of my toddler. Can you see the face of my toddler? I will clean it up. See, so easy to clean. I'm going to keep it aside. So there's a poop of my toddler, like that. If you did drop something or just stem it, so you can just clean it so easily. Can see it's very easy, and it's even not wet. I purchased this product from Amazon for £9. I think so it is worth it for £9 because it has 110 large wipe, and it kills 99% of the bacteria and virus. Main thing is it kills coronavirus, influenza, as well as rotavirus, and like common antibacterial virus. We can use it for our kitchen area to clean our toddlers, things like a high chair, things like on our table, on our furniture, everything. And for £9, 110 wipes is like huge. So I highly recommend everyone to purchase this product. And I give thumbs up, 5 thumbs up for this product. I think so it should get 10 on 10 because at this time we really need this product to keep ourselves safe, our family safe, our children safe, our elder parents safe, our community safe. So I tell you all to use this product. Be safe, save NHS, save life.